Hey, Mark Fitzpatrick here, Fitz Homes and Arla Real Estate, Potomac and Chevy Chase. I am out in the country, but still close to everything. If you're looking for some space, you know someone's looking for some space. And we got a shed, we got like a barn out there. You could just make that a special office, a workshop, art gallery, whatever you want to do. We got chickens over there. Give you eggs every day. And we got a just beautiful backyard. Look at that. You can play sports out here, just have the run of it. And nice little place to relax under the chairs. Listen to this. This is beautiful. Then I wanted to give you advance notice on this. It's getting prepped right now. So if you know somebody and you're that somebody, then message me faster. 240-696-4133. Text me, call me, let me know in advance. This is a really awesome property. It'll be under $1 million, and I'll get you in first, or whoever else you know that wants a beautiful property like this. It's really special. Take care.